Greetings, this is your school librarian, Miss McCray. Today we're going to discuss how to update your school webpage. Step 1, you're going to log yourself in under user options. Once you sign yourself in, you want to select your school. Once you select your school, you're going to go to academics, touch the academics tab, and then you're going to hit grade levels. After that, you will scroll down and find your name. On everybody's webpage, I gave you two sections. I gave you an About Teacher section, which was meant for you to put your biography information. This is a great example here. And if you want to update your biography information, all you have to do is hit edit, and you will be able to edit your information. All right. Now, if you want, once you have your things done and you want to see what it looks like, you mash over here in the corner this little, it looks like a desktop symbol, and it will show you what you have, what you're working with here. If you want to make changes, again, you can go into the edit. All right, this is where Miss Posted put her biography. If she wants to change it, she can make changes to it. All right. Um, she was able to add her photo here. All right, and put her contact information. Now, one thing she did not do that you may want to do if you want to go to, again, the app options, and you want to put About Teacher, put a title over yours. Instead of having About Teacher, you can say uh, Teacher Biography, and you can hit Save. And once you do that, you can go back out and look, and you will see where it has a heading. All right. Now she also has some other things on her page. And again, it's your page. You can do your page how you want to do your page. She look like she has some links down here about Fontes and Pinnell. If you want to carry that over to your home page, again, you would go over, click on home page, and you would put edit, and whatever links you want over here. If it's something over here you don't want, you can just hit the trash can button, remove it. If you just wanted links on your page, then you will scroll over here on the side where the apps are, and you can drag and drop the links tab if you want to. Also, if you want to change the layout, go over here on the side to layouts, and you can make it how you want it to be. And once you find one suitable for your liking, again, you're able to drag and drop what you need. If you want to change the title of your app that you're using. And let's say I want to put reading links here. And check. And um and my link. Um and then you know all right. And you will put the address down here and how long you want it to stay. Don't forget if you want a title. Um, for your link. Oops. Okay. Now make sure you put HTTP on your links because I just put www and it wouldn't let it go in. So don't forget if you want it to be a heading, then you just simply check the show the app box. Okay. Save your options and then you can go back out and look at your page. And as you can see, I put those. I have that available. So again, you can drag and drop as you see fit. And if it's something that you don't like, again, all you have to do is just delete. So, if there's anything else, and that's about it for your web page. That's all you do is click on your home page, drag and drop the apps that you want to use, and go in and edit them. So if you have any questions about anything specifically, please email me and let me know. I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you. Have a great day.